Hello, today I'll be doing a review on the movie Train to
Storytelling is huge. We tell stories all the time. And we tell stories, that's what we do as human beings, and and since the beginning of time. And so we're hoping that with this, that we're helping them progress as storytellers, where my goal is for them to see what they're doing in class, maybe to make them think more about their characters and about what they want to tell and why are you telling the story. I think that's important. Why are you telling the story? Because if you can't tell us why, then why should anybody listen to it? The power of the video, the power of audio and video, and because you have social media right now, you reach a larger group of people. And in reaching a larger group of people, you're able to implement change. Art drives change. The apps, the software that's out there, every and anybody can do it. Anything happening in Inglewood, they're going to come right here to Inglewood Unified School District. They're going to want our students working on their sets. They're going to want students interviewing them. They're going to want anything that has with arts, entertainment, communication, marketing. Our students are going to do it. We uplift the world. Bijan is, what I like about Bijan is he hears us. You know what, let's shoot for the stars, Bijan. We want this to be something amazing for the students. And he's like, let's make it happen. How can we do this? Or not only do we want this to be a class where the students are learning how to make films, but this is also something where students can learn to become civic-minded. They play a huge, important role in society. And this is where their voices can be heard, their stories told. And Bijan is about that too. He's about, sustainability. He's about what's going on in the world, and we need to have that. So